In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the July copper contract, which is on a 3-session streak higher. Copper's up just a little over 3% in the last 3 consecutive sessions. Today, we actually jumped higher. The low of 4.2030 was actually 1/4%, a little bit more than 1/4%, 27 basis points to be exactly, higher than yesterday's settlement of 4.1915. That low, 4.2030. On the high side of things, 4.2835 was up 2.19%, and the settlement up a little bit better than 0.5%. Copper is actually working on its first positive week in the last 5, including this week as well. I know it's only Tuesday, but currently copper is up just short of 1.5% on the week. And again, previous 4 consecutive weeks, all lower for copper. This would be the first up one in the last 5 if you included this week. Shanghai's lockdown, the China-based lockdowns, again, having an effect on industrial metals specifically, precious metals to a certain degree as well, as there's some seasonal strength in the precious metal that comes along with demand out of India and China. But Shanghai is announcing a gradual reopening, with a full reopening targeting somewhere around June 1st. That's kind of a dynamic date. It's not a hard, fast date that everything will be open by June 1st. But it is a gradual reopening, which is helping copper get its footing underneath it and move possibly with the tailwind to the potential demand that comes with a China reopening. And speaking of tailwinds, the weaker dollar, an inverse historical relationship between the dollar and metals, is a tailwind, and the dollar is lower over 1.6% in the last 3 sessions against the euro, over 2.5% in the last 3 sessions against the pound, and over 1.9% against the Canadian dollar. So that dollar weakness, also a tailwind for industrial metals.